Kahlo version 1. Gilded crystals on her neck, the flowers. It's a rough outline on the flowers. Still have the gilded crystals on the flower tattoos on her neck, but now we're adding flamingo pearls on the flowers on her head. And this is actually not the whole, we don't fill it in, it just looks filled in, but really we could just use the code H for it. And you can fill it in if you want to. 3 still has the gilded crystals on the flowers of her neck. And the flowers are filled or partially filled with a code H on her hair. Now we added version 3, which brightens up with the avocado pearls on the leaves, code S. Avocado has its own subtle brilliance to it. It's version 3.